How to uninstall system apps without root. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to uninstall system applications without rooting your mobile device. So let me just clear you that the system applications such as gallery or clock or calculator or messages cannot be directly uninstalled from your mobile device. So to do that, you must actually head over to your settings and alternatively just click on this app section by scrolling down, and let's say I would like to uninstall gallery from over here. So I'll simply locate my gallery option, that is a gallery application. So as you can see, when I click on it, there is no any uninstall button directly available as it is available in the other third-party applications which we usually install from the Google Play Store. So instead you can actually force the stop, which may cause errors, or you can actually disable the application for such cases such as Google Play Store. So not every single default applications which comes with the mobile has the disable option available. So if they are available, you can actually disable it. You can actually try disabling it or forcing the app to stop, but you cannot uninstall the application itself without rooting. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.